Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone cannot connect to Wi-Fi, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, just open your Wi-Fi. And now just try to turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn it on again. So just reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So if you still have this problem, so just try to restore your Wi-Fi router. So just reset it. So just try to turn it off and turn on again. So sometimes resetting router helps too. So another way you can also try, just tap here and just choose forget this network. So just tap here and just choose forget, and after just go back and connect again to this Wi-Fi network. So also you can try to turn on airplane mode and just turn it off again. So for some seconds, so just turn on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off again. So if you still have this issue, so just go back, just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here software update. So now just wait until it will check for updates, and here you will see latest software update for your iPhone. So just download and install the latest software on your iPhone. So I hope that one of these methods will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.